Hello friends, welcome to Electrical Design Engineering YouTube channel. This is our one of the subscriber has sent us a message that he is receiving some error in model. You can see this is the message sent by him, screenshot, and this is the error. His name is Felix Mendy. Uh, Hello all, please how to fix these errors for transmission line. This is our group, Electrical Design Engineering second group, and you can join this group by through the description link. The link of this WhatsApp group is given in the description. You can join there. Now we have to solve this error, and I told him here, you can see, send me the file on my WhatsApp number, and he has sent this file on my WhatsApp number. I will show how he has sent. You can also send like that. This Mr. Okay, this is the file he has sent. 1 2 3 4 all files he has sent, MDF file, LDF file. And now we have to solve this error. I have taken this his model in this ETAP section. This is our ETAP, and this is his model. When I perform the load flow analysis, see the errors. There are 3 errors now. First, in the in picture only 2 errors are shown, but when I perform the load flow analysis, when I run the simulation here, we have received 3 errors. The 3 errors are that transmission line has incomplete parameters to perform the impedance calculation. That means he has not defined the parameters of the transmission line properly. The line positive sequence impedance is equal to 0, and second, he has put the line impedance equal to 0, and third is the transmission line impedance calculation failed. Because these 2 errors are maybe associated with these parameters, and I can go for here model again. The error is for line 2. I can again, this is for line 2, so we have to identify which is the line 2. First of all, this is the line 2. Yeah, this is line 2, and this is cable 1, this is cable 2, and here it is, you can see here it has used the composite network, and this is the composite network. When I click on it, double click on it, and we will see here is another load of 2 MVA. Okay, we can go back, and this is our main model, and whatever he has kept here one generator, and this 11 kV bus, and this is a grid, and this is 110 kV bus. Here it has used the transformer, core transformer, and here is another load, here is another load. Okay, now we can go for the line 2, double click on that and open the transmission line editor. In the transmission line editor, we have seen the error is about the parameters. We can go to the parameters and see he has not defined here the resistance at temperature T1 and resistance at temperature T2, that is 50 degrees Celsius. If you have a conductor data, you can define these, you can update the library in the ETAP and use that. For that, you can go to the conductor library and select any conductor. Here we can select one, that is one, no problem, you can select this one. Now this data has been entered. And second thing is the ground wire. We can click on the ground wire and click OK. Now the data for the ground wire is also updated, and now we can see what will be the error. Another error was about the impedance. This is the impedance tab, and we can click on the impedance. He has shown you here the conductor wire. I can go 1 minute. The conductor wire y coordinate should not be equal to 0, and here we can see the conductor. For that you can use the user defined, and here are the R2 is 0. If we run this simulation at this time, you will show that R2 is 0. So it is better to use this, it should not be kept as 0. For that we can copy directly this one. If you have conductor data, you can enter exact data, but if you do not have conductor data, you can calculate, or you can, I am here to show you how you can remove this error. It should not be 0, there should be some value. Okay, now I can click OK and run the load flow analysis again. Now everything is working. Okay, you can see everything is working now, no error. Thank you. If you have any such errors, you can contact me through WhatsApp and I can solve your errors.